Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on Nasdaq, Canadian stock market, and also UK stock market. And I also upload regular analysis on 10 Forex currency pairs. Okay, so in this video, I'll be analyzing the Nasdaq, and I'll also tell you what stocks you need to watch today. Okay, and please do not mind because of my not so professional background. Even I do not edit my videos, I don't get time. Okay, I'm just doing this for your educational purpose only. Okay, so if we look at the chart of Nasdaq 100, we see that it closed at 13,223. Okay, market there was a bloodbath. Market fell by more than 2% yesterday. Okay, so things are not very clear right now. Okay, so what can we do? We can switch to the higher time frame. We can switch to 1 day time frame. So if we switch to the 1 day time frame, we see that market was a beautiful uptrend, beautiful uptrend. Okay, so market was respecting the 50 to 20 period moving average every time. It was taking support at the 20 period moving average, and it was moving up and up. Okay, but yesterday, okay, yesterday it opened below the 20 period moving average, and after that you can see what happened. So this may be a correction. Okay, so in this correction phase, we can expect that market will take support at 13,000 or 30,000 level. Okay, market, so right now it is trading at 13,223. So next big support is available at the 13,000 range. Okay, so and if market opens gap down again today, and if it starts sliding downward, then you can expect that market will get some support at 13,000 level. And in case it starts moving up today, okay, it starts moving up, then it will get some resistance at 13,000 13,380 level. Okay, because there is a resistance and there is a support. So today's opening will be very crucial for the market. So in case it opens below this level, you can expect to get support at 13,000 level. That's it with the Nasdaq. Okay, so let's move to stocks. The first stock we have is Coca-Cola. Okay, in Coca-Cola, if you remember correctly, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, yesterday also I told you that you may see some reversal after hitting this blue line or the resistance available at 50.80 level, and the same thing happened. Okay, after hitting the resistance level, Coca-Cola could not go upward, and it started uh, getting some selling pressure. And you can see that, just look at the size of this candle. Okay, so it failed to break the resistance. So these two levels are, or these two levels will be applicable today also, but I'm just switching this support to the 49.80 level. Okay. In case Coca-Cola opens in between this range, 49.8 to 50.8, and if it starts going upward, you just need to observe how does it react at the 50.80 level. If it crosses the level, then you can consider it as a breakout only if it is supported by volume. Okay, if there is no volume, then it's a fake out. Suppose Coca-Cola crosses this level today successfully, then do not jump into trade right away. Let the market, or let Coca-Cola stay above the 50.80 level for 20-25 minutes. Let it stay there comfortably. After that, you can go into the trading. Okay. Before that, just observe. Okay, you don't need to do anything else. And in case it fails to break the resistance, then you can expect some reversal and you can short the market. But You remember, get the confirmation first. So confirmation like price rejection from above or a big fat candle like this. So the next stock is Mark. In Mark we have got two levels, okay, 70.04 and 75.97 or 76. Let's make it a round figure, 76 level. If you get Mark, suppose Mark opens here today, okay, between this range and starts moving up, same strategy. If Marks break this level successfully, then let the stock to stay above the level for 15-20 minutes. Okay, let it sustain there for 20-25 minutes. After that only you jump into trade, otherwise it's a fake out. Okay, you need the confirmation, right? And in case it comes down, okay, in case it comes down to 74 level, and if you see that it is getting price rejection from below, then you may expect some bounce from there, and in that case you can buy. You can buy here if you spot some price rejection from below. Okay, you can short the market here if you spot price rejection from above. Okay, if it crosses the level, if it breaks the resistance, then get the confirmation of volume, let the market sustain above the level for 15-20 minutes or 25 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only you should jump into the trade. And if you watch my video, then probably you remember it correctly. Yesterday I said that Walt Disney is in consultation. The volatility, I told you about volatility. Volatility always moves from high to low and low to high. Lower volatility to higher volatility and higher volatility to lower volatility. And remember, I told you to keep your eyes open on Walt Disney and just look at the big move. Okay, just look at the big move Walt Disney has given yesterday. So right now, and if you have followed my words, then probably you have made some money. If not, then I'll come up again with some stocks like this. Okay. So the next stock we have is Nvidia Corporation. In Nvidia, the picture is not that clear in the 15th time frame, but if you switch to the 1 day time frame, you will see that there is a big candle with price rejection from below, sorry, above, and it has crossed the daily pivot level also, daily resistance level. So in case you get Nvidia below 574 level today, 574 level today, you can short it for target of 562. Okay, this level 564, 65, 1% or 2%. So that's it. That's it for the day, 23rd Feb 2021. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.